Hi, I'm Zach Rug, and today I will be demonstrating how to properly perform the three lower body lifts: front squat, RDL, and leg curl. Okay, so the first lift we're going to demonstrate here is the front squat. This lift is going to work the muscles in your quads, in your glutes, and also in your calves. I would recommend this lift for basically any athlete. It's a really good lift for training your lower body. Also, just anyone who wants to build basic muscle in their lower body. And just some common mistakes with this lift. A lot of people, when they squat, have their knees bent, bend their knees in when they're coming up. That's a no-no. And many people don't get low enough, and you want to keep your back straight like this. When you're going down, a lot of people can end up hunched over like that. And Paul here is going to demonstrate proper form of the front squat. So he's got it right here, ball right here, and down. Good, knees up and right. All right, so next lift we're going to talk about here is the RDL. The RDL is going to be really huge for building strength in your hamstrings, and it's also going to work your glutes again a little bit, and it's going to get your lower back involved as well. So the RDL again is good for athletes or people who want to build their hamstrings. And some common mistakes, I'd say the biggest one is the arch back, and the curled up back. You want to keep it slightly arched, and just a very slight bend in your knees. It's called straight leg deadlift for a reason, but you do want a tiny bend in your knees. Paul here is going to demonstrate how to properly perform the straight leg deadlift. So the last lift I'm going to talk about today is the leg curl, also known as the hamstring curl, named after the muscle that it reacts with the most. So the most really important thing with this hamstring curl is that you have it set to your proper height. You see Paul's a tall guy. He's got the thing down, all the way down here. Got the weight set up. Another really important thing with the hamstring curl is that when you bring it up, you bring it up control, and you also keep it down control. Good. And this lift is really good again for athletes because it builds that hamstring strength and can help prevent injury. It can also be good if there's a deficit in your quads or a deficit in your hamstrings in comparison to quads to build up your hamstrings and get them more equaled out. So here we're going to have Paul demonstrate a couple. Very good. So again, those are the three lifts we worked on. We did the front squat, the RDL, and the hamstrings. So all lower body training today. Really worked on the hamstring or the glutes and the quads for the front squat, and then really hit the hamstrings with the RDL and the leg curl. Again, all these lifts are really good for athletes training their lower body, just strengthening, helping prevent injuries, and also getting a little flexibility in there with the RDL.